We are making a start with some big news that's breaking this minute. A big update coming in the Thoothukudi custodial death case. The CBI has informed the court that Tamil Nadu police had filed a false case against the father-son duo Jayaraj and Benix. The CBI opposes the bail plea of suspended cop Sridhar. Remember, Jayaraj and Benix were picked up from their shop on June 19th, allegedly tortured and brutalized, and they eventually died on June 23rd and 20th. So that's the latest update coming in the Thoothukudi custodial death case. Big trouble they're mounting for the Tamil Nadu police at this point. Let me bring in my colleague Pramod, who's joining me with further updates on this. Pramod, this is a big revelation and more trouble they're mounting for the Tamil Nadu police at this point, with the CBI, who is investigating this entire case, now coming out and saying that there was a false case that was initially filed by the Tamil Nadu police. Tell us about the details of what the CBI has told the court regarding this case.
Well, this definitely is a big development, and not just that. It's in fact a very unfortunate, like a shame kind of act when it comes to police brutality and police excess, because from the beginning, back in June 19th itself, this case was contested, and even though the Tamil Nadu government did not show much interest into it, it was a Madras High Court Madurai bench who intervened, and because of all that, only 10 policemen from Sathankulam police station were arrested and the investigation began. Today, what occurred in Madras High Court Madurai bench is that Sridhar, the suspended inspector of Sathankulam police, from his end, a bail petition was filed. In that, when that was in question, the CBI official who's actually investigating the case went ahead and said that the FIR that was filed on June 19th was false, filed under false pretext, and action was taken. On June 19th, on that night, Jayaraj and his son Benix were arrested by the cops, and what the FIR mentioned was that Jayaraj and Benix refused to close the shop after lockdown time, and they actually spoke against the cops. They did not let the cops do their job. They behaved in a very rude manner, and in fact they fell on the ground and they started rolling, and they also threatened the cops to kill them. These were all the details that were put on the FIR, but almost a week after that we got the CCTV footage from the site as well, and nothing of that set occurred over there. In fact, two policemen come and talk to Jayaraj, and they ask him to come along with them, and he just walks to the van and he leaves, seeing that his son actually goes along with another friend on a motorbike, and he also go to the police station, and after that, just 2 days after that, the son dies first, and then the next day, his father passes away. In between all this, the case has, the FIR says something completely different, and the CBI official has informed the court and said that the investigation is going in the right track currently, and a bail should not be provided to Sridhar. After hearing both sides, the judge has adjourned the case on 11th September.
All right. Pramod, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those breaking updates.